Students, very nice good morning to all of you. I am Roshan Kumar of Math Teachers Modern English School, Kunti Nagar branch, Nevada. Students, in this video lecture, I am going to discuss some questions, some examples of exercise 8A. So, first example in the given figure, इस फिगर में DE parallel to AC. DE this is DE line. DE is parallel to AC. DE is parallel to AC. And DF is parallel to AE. And DF is parallel to AE. So, then prove that कि BF upon EF, FE equal to BE by EC. So, let's start student solution. In triangle DE parallel to BC, in triangle BAC, in triangle BAC, in triangle BAC, DE is parallel to AC. DE is parallel to AC given. DE is parallel to AC. Then in triangle BAC, DE is parallel to AC. Then we say that कि BE upon EC equal to BD upon DA by Thales theorem. So BE upon EC equal to BD upon DA by BPT, basic proportionality theorem or Thales theorem. Equation first. So in triangle and in triangle DF parallel to AE, DF parallel to AE, in triangle BAE, in triangle BAE, BAE DF parallel to AE is given. So DAE we say that कि BF upon FE, BF upon FE equal to BD upon DA, BD upon DA by BPT. Equation. So from equation 1 and 2, BD by DA equal to BE by EC and BD by DA equal to BF by FE. RHF is equal, then LHF is also equal. So then we say that कि BE by EC equal to BF by FE. Hence we say that कि BF by FE equal to BE by EC. And the second examples, in the given figure, alongside DE is parallel to OQ. DE of students in the given figure, DE is parallel to OQ. DE is parallel to OQ and DF is parallel to OR and DF is parallel to OR. DF is parallel to OR. So in the given figure, prove that EF is parallel to QR. So let's start solution. First of all, DE is parallel to OQ. So in triangle POQ, in triangle POQ, in triangle POQ, DE is parallel to OQ given. Then DE is parallel to OQ. So we say that PD by DO equal to PE by EQ. Equation first by Thales theorem. And in triangle, now in triangle POR, for POR DF is parallel to OR. DF is parallel to OR. So this write PD by DO equal to PF by FR. PF by FR. Equation 2 by DPT. DPT or Thales theorem, both are same. From equation 1 and 2 we get PD upon DO, LHF is equal, then we said that RHF is also equal. So PE by EQ equal to PF by FR. PE by EQ equal to PF by FR. Triangle PQR. PQR triangle, it is proved that PE by EQ equal to PF by FR. PE by EQ equal to PF by FR. So here it is proved. Then in triangle PQR, PE by EQ equal to PF by FR. From equation third, we say that in a triangle PQR, PE upon EQ equal to PF upon FR. Then we say that EF parallel to QR by converse of BPT. And the third question in the given here, AB parallel DE. AB parallel DE. And the third questions in the given figure, AB parallel DE. AB here this side is AB, is parallel to DE, this side. And BD parallel to EF, and BD parallel to EF. Then prove that DC square equal to CF multiply AC. So AB parallel DE, then in triangle CAB. Let's start solution. In triangle CAB, DE is parallel to AB. Given DE is parallel to AB, given. The DE in triangle CAB, DE is parallel to AB. Then we say that CD by DA equal to CE by EB by BPT. Equation first. And in triangle BD parallel EF, in triangle CDB, in triangle CDB, BD parallel EF, then we say that in triangle CDB, CF by FD equal to CE by EB by BPT. Equation. From equation 1 and 2 we get, from equation 1 and 2, then CE by EB and CE by EB. RHF is equal, then we say that LHF is also equal. Then CD by DA equal to Pf by FD. Now, students, we write the reciprocal of both sides. So, CD by DA is right here, DA by CD equal to Pf by FD. Then we write FD by Pf. FD by Pf. And adding 1 both sides. Then DA by CD plus 1 equal to FD by Pf plus 1. LCM CD DA plus CD equal to LCM Pf FD plus Pf. Now look up students, DA plus CD, DA or plus CD, we say that total AC. AC by CD equal to FD plus Pf, FD plus Pf equal to DC. Then CD by Pf. By cross multiplication, CD square equal to Pf multiply AC. Now the next question is, in the given figure, PQ parallel AB. PQ. Here this side is PQ, is parallel to AB, and PR parallel to AC, and PR, this side is PR parallel to AC. Then prove that QR parallel BC. First of all, in triangle OAB. Let's start solution. In triangle OAB, OP by PA, in triangle OAB, PQ is parallel to AB. This is given. PQ is parallel to AB. Then we say that कि OP by PA equal to OQ by QB by BPT. Basic property theorem, equation first. And in triangle OAC, PR is parallel to AC. PR is parallel to AC. Then we say that OP by PA equal to OR by RC. OR by RC by BPT. Equation from equation first and second we get OP by PA, OP by PA. LHF is equal, then RHF is also equal. OQ by QB equal to OR by RC. So now in a triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, it is proved that OQ by QB equal to OR by RC. It is proved. Then we say that by converse of Thales theorem, QR is parallel to BC by converse of BPT.